Want to turn off Vanish Mode on Instagram? If you accidentally enabled it or no longer want messages to disappear, you can turn it off in seconds. Let me show you how. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Step 2. Tap on the direct messages (DM) icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Open the chat where Vanish Mode is enabled. Step 4. Swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen and release to turn off Vanish Mode. Step 5. Once Vanish Mode is off, messages will stop disappearing automatically. Important notes. Vanish Mode only works in one-on-one chats, not group chats. Messages sent in Vanish Mode disappear when you close the chat. You and the other person will be notified if someone takes a screenshot in Vanish Mode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.